These AI wall repair videos are insanely satisfying and highly addictive. In just over 10 seconds, you get the full, flawless repair process from start to finish. Today, I'll show you 2 methods to recreate this effect using the exact same prompt in both Google Flow and HitPaw Edimakor. You'll see how each tool handles that silky foam repair shot and be able to decide which workflow works best for you. Let's dive in. First, you'll need a solid prompt. I've prepared a ready-to-use template for you. Just click the link in the description below. You'll notice the prompt already covers every detail of the wall repair process. All you need to do is enter your desired color, copy it, and we're ready to start creating Method 1. Using Google Flow, first, paste your prompt into the text box. Once you've double-checked everything looks right, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Switch the model to OmniFlash, adjust the duration to 10 seconds, and choose your desired output quantity. I'm selecting 2 clips so I can compare them and pick the best one later. In just a moment, your hyper-realistic wall repair video will be ready to go. Let's check out the results. The overall workflow clearly follows my prompt, but some of the finer details feel a bit unnatural. For instance, the parts where the excess foam is scraped off and the final paint application don't fully cover the surface, making the clip end a little abruptly. Now, let's see how HitPaw Edimakor works. Method 2. Using HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just click the link in the description to get it installed on your computer. Once you've launched the software, head over to AI Video, Text to Video. Here's where Edimakor really shines. It supports all the hottest video generation models right now. Whether you're into trending options like Minimax H3, Seedance 2.0, or Kling, it even integrates Google AI models, all under one roof. Just pick your favorite. Then, paste the same prompt, set your desired resolution. Edimakor supports clips of up to 15 seconds and adjust the aspect ratio. Hit Generate, and Edimakor's text-to-video engine will turn your vision into reality in no time. Let's check out these results. Edimakor's slightly longer duration allows for more complete details compared to Google Flow. If you're not happy with the result, just hit Regenerate or switch to a different model to try again. What's more, once you export your video from HitPaw Edimakor, simply add #Edimakor back to school to your post to earn 60 free credits. Overall, both Google Flow and HitPaw Edimakor are incredibly easy to use without skimping on power. Pick the one that fits your workflow best and start creating. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Grab the link in the description to try them out yourself. See you in the next one.